past 411 days that I have been Attorney General, 3 co-equal priorities have guided the work of the Justice Department: keeping our country safe, protecting civil rights, and upholding the rule of law. These priorities reflect the Justice Department's mission, and our mission is reflected in the President's FY23 budget.
Our Office on Violence Against Women provides critical funding for projects and programs that meaningfully and compassionately address sexual violence. OVW's Sexual Assault Services Program, for example, reaches every state and territory and supports rape crisis centers and other programs that provide services to survivors and their families.
We allege that the defendants and their co-conspirators lied to banks to obtain billions of dollars that they then used to inflate the stock price of a number of publicly traded companies. The lies fed the inflation, and the inflation fed more lies.
In March, we launched the Klepto Capture Task Force. The proposals the President announced today will give the Justice Department critical resources and tools to continue and strengthen this work. Among other things, they would enable us to transfer the proceeds of forfeited Russian assets directly to Ukraine to remedy the harms of Russia's aggression. They would close loopholes in our sanctions and forfeiture law, and they would allow us to help the people of Ukraine in their most dire hour.